Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure Telegram is updated and Cloud Sync is enabled so history is accessible across devices. Once done, open the specific chat or stay in the main chat list and tap the search icon. On desktop, use Ctrl+F. Make sure you understand whether you need in-chat search or global app search. This determines where you type and which results appear. If prompted, allow storage and indexing so messages and media are included. Now type a clear keyword or phrase to begin. Next, refine your query with operators and filters so results are precise. Use quotes for exact phrases and a minus sign to exclude words you don't want. Tap media filters to limit results to photos, videos, files, or links. On some platforms, you can pick a date range to narrow results. On desktop, navigate results quickly with Enter and arrow keys, while mobile surfaces media tabs under the search field. Also try searching usernames or forwarded from names to locate. To finish, export a chat on desktop if you want a permanent copy. Use the export tool and choose messages, media, and date range. Make small refinements to your query if the first results aren't right. Change keywords, include quotes or toggle filters. If results seem incomplete, clear cache, reindex by toggling sync, or sign out and back in to force redownload. If messages still miss, check which account or archived chats you're searching. That usually resolves missing history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.